What's up, my two-wheeled friends? Jucifer here coming at you on a beautiful spring day. This is March 31st. This marks day 9 of me no longer being a Royal Enfield owner or a Super Cub owner, actually. Shocking as that may be to all four of you out there watching. I am now a BMW F750 GS owner. And the first couple days with it were amazing. Rides great, so much more power than the Enfield had, obviously 77 versus 47 horsepower, so big jump there. Relatively speaking, for a bike that weighs about the same. Tons of tech, heated grips, cruise control, super cool TFT screen that pairs to my helmet and my phone and kind of talks between, so I can use the handlebar controls to answer calls and things. You'll pop up the little screen there, my buddy Scott calling me. It's fantastic bike. Unfortunately, 2 days of riding, about 160 miles in, the rear shock starts leaking. Noticed it after a ride with my buddy. Got it home. Got about a hot softball size oil spot in my driveway from it. Took it back to my dealer, which is Ride Now of Huntsville. The good folks there. They shot me straight. They got the tech on it right away. About a day after it was in the shop, they got the pictures and everything they needed, sent it to BMW for warranty processing, and it's been in their hands for the past 5-ish days or so, since about last Wednesday. So right now we're waiting to hear back from BMW, and I went from 2 bikes to effectively no bikes. It's not super fun, and it's certainly frustrating. I know the guys at Ride Now are doing everything they can and have done everything they can so far. If this drags out too long, I'm definitely going to have the loaner bike conversation, because I need something to ride with this beautiful weather and the fact that, it's going to be my primary vehicle. But that is the current update. Post pictures of the bike here. I've got, a couple things I've thrown up during the video, and I will certainly keep everyone updated to what BMW says and the total timeline this thing takes. So far, it's been, like I said, about 5 days, 6 days since it's been back in the shop, and waiting to get word back from BMW. So hopefully it doesn't take too much longer. BMW, if you're watching, been waiting my whole life to have one of your bikes. My dad had them when I was a kid. Finally was able to make it happen, and so let's turn this customer experience around. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I'll keep you updated. Appreciate you watching. Talk to you soon. Juice for out.